Rosewill RHPC-15001 Pressure Cooker, Non-Stick Pot White. 8 appliances in 1. Eliminate clutter and the need for multiple kitchen appliances with this electric 8-in-1 multi-cooker that functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, sauté browing, yogurt maker, food steamer, deep fryer and warmer. 12 cooking programs. Customize your own cook time or select from our 12 preset recommendations. Simply place your ingredients into the Instapot and select or adjust our pre-programmed, easy one-touch cooking settings: rice, multigrain, porridge, meat stew, bean chili, poultry, soup, sauté, deep fry, steam, ribs, slow cooker, yogurt. 6 quart capacity and quality. This multi-pot cooker features 1/6 QT non-stick pot and steaming rack. There's so much you can do quicker and easier, like cheese or chocolate fondue. Save time and money. Save 60% energy and money on the utility bill with this efficient appliance. Cook in nearly half the time with minimal effort while retaining evenly cooked foods full of flavor, nutrients and aroma within an enclosed slow cooker pressure cooker environment. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.